ladies, let's review long division of polynomials. When you are dividing two polynomials, in this case 1 plus 3x squared plus x to the fourth, we're dividing that by 3 minus 2x plus x squared. So what we're dividing by will go on the outside of the division symbol, and I will list this polynomial in order from the greatest power to the least. X squared minus 2x plus 3. Notice that when I changed the order, it did not change the signs of each individual term. Let's take what we're dividing into and place it inside this symbol. We start again with the highest power, x to the fourth. The next term in the polynomial is plus 3x squared. Because there is no x cubed, I must put a place marker for it, plus 0x cubed plus 3x squared. There is no x to the first term, so I must put a place marker, plus 0x, and then finally plus 1. So notice, excuse me, that each polynomial is written in descending order, and anywhere there is a skipped term in that descending order, we put a place marker of 0. When we divide polynomials, we begin by dividing the first term on the inside by the first term on the outside. So essentially we're dividing x to the fourth by x to the second. Well, x to the fourth divided by x to the second is x to the second. When you're writing your value for each quotient, you will keep like terms lined up vertically. So notice that I put the x squared above the x squared here. Once we divide, then we multiply. Well, there are 3 terms in this polynomial, so we must distribute the x squared to all 3 terms. X squared times x squared is x to the fourth minus 2x to the third plus 3x squared. So remember, with long division, when you learned that in 3rd or 4th grade, we divide, multiply, and then we subtract. Well, when we are subtracting, we're subtracting the entire polynomial. So when we subtract that, we have to distribute the minus to each term. So this becomes plus a negative, positive, negative. The x to the fourths cancel. 0x to the third plus 2x to the third is 2x to the third. The 3x squareds will cancel, so plus 0x squared. Bring down plus 0x. We divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, which we just did, and then we repeat this whole process. So we will divide again. What is it we are dividing? You divide the first term on the inside, whoops, by the first term on the outside. So we are now dividing 2x cubed by x squared again. 2x cubed divided by x squared is 2x. So to keep my polynomial like terms lined up vertically, I will place the 2x above the 0x. And now we have divided. We will now multiply. 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. 2x times negative 2x is minus 4x. 2x times 3 is plus 6x. So we've divided, multiplied, now it's time to subtract. Remember, when we subtract, we will subtract the entire polynomial. So we must distribute and make this plus a negative, a positive, a negative. The 2x cubes will cancel. 0x squared plus 4x squared is 4x squared. 0x plus negative 6x is minus 6x. And after we subtract, we bring down. Now it's time to divide again. Remember, we divide the first term. Oops. I'm trying to be fancy and it's not working well, is it? The first term on the inside by the first term on the outside. So we're dividing 4x squared by x squared. That gives us 4. So we'd add 4 on the end, keeping our constants lined up vertically, and now we'll multiply 4 times x squared minus 2x plus 3. So 4x squared minus 8x plus 12. We've divided, we've multiplied, now it's time to subtract. We distribute to make that plus a negative, a positive, a negative. The 4x squared will cancel. Negative 6x plus 8x is 2x. 1 plus negative 12 is negative 11. This is our remainder, and when we write our remainder of a polynomial, we add that remainder to the end of our solution and divide by our original polynomial. I hope this helps you with your recollection of how to divide polynomials with long division.